Starting off, you're going to need some very artificial flowers, and you're going to need a glue gun and extra glue sticks, some headbands, a pair of scissors. I decided to start with my leaves, so I pick out some few leaves and then I just start gluing them down on my headband. I glue them immediately as I put the glue so that it's still hot and it glues very firmly to the headband. I continue to do this all around until I achieve a certain fullness. Now I'm going to start going in with the flowers. I have no arrangement for this. I'm just going to go in with colors that contrast because I want my flower crown to be really bold. So I'm just going to start gluing them at the back of each other. It's very self-explanatory. I glue one at the front, I glue one at the back. So I'm just going to keep going in with the very colorful flowers and keep gluing them down. As you can see, my flower crown is already forming, so I'm just going to start gluing down some extra flowers to make it really thick and bulky. And then I'm going to go in with some really smaller flowers. I think these are nettles. I don't know if it's wrong, don't crucify me, but I'm going to just take them and put them in between some of the flowers to just create more depth and dimension. And then I'm going to go in at the back and continue gluing some leaves from inside so that the leaves kind of, I don't know, so that it looks like the flowers are coming from the leaves. And there we have it. This is the end product and I really love it. It's beautiful. So if you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe and share this video with friends. I love you. See you in my next video.